Hello guys, welcome to our video. We are pretty sure that you guys noticed this super happening snack from Malaysia. Yes, ice Kepal Milo. Now, we are going to tell you guys how to make it. And if you got no money or you have no cooking skills, that's okay. It's not necessary because it's really easy. Now, let's get started.
You will need 10 sachets of Milo, a can of condensed milk, ice, water, and toppings.
Step 2. Put 5 packs of Milo. Put the condensed milk. Then put some water and mix it by using a spoon. But if there is some parts that are still thick, we can use a mixer. Step 3. Put out some ice cubes. Eat by using a blender or ice press.
Step 4. Put ice cube into the bowl. And then shape it like a ball. Step 5. Put in the mixture sauce into the blended ice cube and give toppings just like how you like it.
You can put the sauce in any amount you like. And finally, your ice Kepal Milo is ready to eat. Thank you!